Hey guys, my name is Rich Armstrong. I design, I code, I animate, and I doodle. And I've been doing all of this for over 10 years now, especially the doodling. A few years back, I hit this massive wall as a designer. I lost the spark, I got bored. I became disillusioned with design. I kept on looking at other creatives' work and wishing I could create stuff at that awesome level. So, I began exploring new design styles, which always started out so well. But what happened though was that I got overwhelmed with exploration. I kept on making quick and short bursts before trying something new. I was hoping that I'd happen upon my style, my thing, my vibe. In short, exploration for me was hard. Nothing really stuck and I didn't develop much of a style. I would quit exploring because I got really frustrated. This process happened over and over again during the next few years, but it wasn't all bad. I was just learning and developing the slow way. And then one day, by chance really, I decided to start working within a set of heavy constraints. It was so rewarding, and I began to see results fairly rapidly. The simple idea of adding constraints when exploring new styles changed how I developed as a designer. It made exploring fun and easy, and a lot of new skills and styles I was exploring began to stick around in my work. Of course, I'm still on this journey, and there's so much more to learn, but I believe using constraints as a tool for exploration will fast-track your creative development. So in this class, I'm going to be developing my style through exploring a very simple and practical design style. I've been wanting to do this for ages, and I thought it would help you if I created a class around it. Because it's such a simple style, anyone can explore it with me. The style lends itself to making use of design elements and principles in a really raw manner. Through working with this new style, I'll show you how I go about developing my style and specifically how to use exploration, constraints, and iteration to do so. This is the part where you get involved. I'll be working through a bunch of exercises and I want you to do them with me, not just watch me. Although I'll be working in Illustrator, you can take the class and apply the learnings in different apps and creative disciplines. I've created the class for intermediate level designers, and I believe that what you'll learn will transform the way you design. You'll be able to develop your style and learn new skills much quicker than before. So, in a nutshell, this class will cover 3 things. The first thing we'll cover is what explorative design is, why you should use it, and how to go about it. The second is how and why to use constraints, especially when exploring a new design style or when you're learning new skills. The third thing the class will cover, which will take most of the class's time, is actually exploring a new style. This will include a bunch of very practical exercises where I'm going to get my hands dirty in Adobe Illustrator. And although the aim of the class isn't to teach you Illustrator, I'm sure you'll pick up a few tips and tricks while I'm working. I'm hoping that by the end of the class, you'll have had a bunch of fun. You'll be excited about the exploration process and that you'll be better equipped for it. What you'll learn will transform how you design in a good way, and it will also give you a massive boost to becoming a better designer. I'm super excited about this class. So if you're interested, check it out at taptapkaboom.com.